Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to buy Ultra. So Ultra is a project that aims to be the next Steam, and you all know Steam, the gaming platform. And with this here, with Ultra, they are trying to achieve a platform that is on the blockchain with some new features and options that are not on the traditional gaming platforms. Okay, so before we get into this, please do your own research. Any project that you are trying to get into, please watch and check all the content about it, pros and cons, then make a decision if you want to get into it. After you make a decision, get in with the money that you're willing to lose. All right, now that's out of the way, let's go and check markets. And as you can see, it's been listed on some of the markets, but on my case I'm going to show you how to buy it on Gate, and the same applies on KuCoin if you want to use KuCoin. All right, so if you don't have an account on here or KuCoin, there are links in the description, and create an account. Okay, after you created an account, just head to wallet and deposit. So choose or select the coin that you want to deposit and the chain or the network that you're willing to use. So for example, if you want to use this network here, Tron, make sure to select the same network on the other platform that you are withdrawing from. Okay, now that you've done that and now you've got your coins or the asset on your account, head to trade and spot trading. So if you have deposited anything other than USDT, just head to search here and type in the name of the coin you've deposited. For example, let's say LTC, and select the name of the coin you've deposited paired with USDT. Okay, because we need USDT to buy Ultra and we need to sell the coin you've deposited to USDT. So head to here and this is your balance. Click on it and it will select the whole amount and put it in here to sell it. All right, click sell, and now you've got USDT. Now let's head back and put in the name of Ultra here and choose Ultra to USDT because now we've got USDT. Now go to here and you can see the balance of USDT you've got. Just click on it and it will select the whole amount again, and you can also select if you want to just use 50% of the balance you've got or whatever amount that you want. Okay, you can click on it and it will get selected. But if you want to bargain, and go to here, as you can see, so now the current market price is appearing. I don't know if it was just loading. Now it's here. So this is the current market price of the coin, which is Ultra, and these here are trying to buy with a lower price than the current price of Ultra, and these here are trying to sell with a higher price than the current price. Okay, so if you want to bargain and haggle, you can just click on one of these. So I would advise you to choose numbers, to choose prices that are near the current price, because you don't want your order to stay stuck in here, because let's say that you've put in a price which is lower down here and your order will stay stuck in there because the market haven't gone down to that price you've put in. So put in a price that is near the current market price so it will go faster. All right, and the same goes for people that are trying to sell with a higher price than the current market price. Okay, so if you decided to choose this or this, just click on it and it will automatically fill the price that is in here into here, and now again click on the balance and to choose the whole balance, and then click buy, and now you've got Ultra on your account. Your order went through. Okay, and here is where you can check if the order went through or not yet. Okay, and you can cancel at any time if you choose to play with any numbers down below here and you want to test it. All right, so that's it. Super simple and easy. Please don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this, and thank you for watching.